Job losses were in most sectors, including manufacturing, construction, community services, transport and business services. Growth in average nominal gross earnings per worker slowed to 5.9% year-on-year in the second quarter from 6.6% in the first quarter. Economists say employment creation will remain weak on the back of weak demand and subdued business and consumer confidence. Producer price inflation, measuring changes in the price of goods at the factory gate, accelerated to 4.2% year-on-year in August from 3.6% in July. The increase was driven by the coke, petroleum, chemical, rubber and plastic products category. Economists say producer inflation is expected to remain below 6% for the remainder of the year, but to tick up marginally from current levels on the back of higher food product prices. They say meat and meat product subcategory is expected to exert the most upward pressure on the back of avian flu outbreak. Other risks to the producer inflation outlook are the weak rand and higher energy prices. Tourism data shows 3.7 million travelers passed through South African ports of entry in July. Compared to the same period last year, it is an increase of 2.1%. Most travelers were in South Africa for holidays compared to those who were in the country for business or for study purposes. This week, the rand hit a 4.5-month low against the US dollar, breaching 13.60 rand against the greenback. It also hit a 10-month low against the British pound. The local currency strengthened slightly against both currencies today. Private sector credit extension growth rose to 6% year-on-year, in line with markets forecast, helped by the pickup in credit to households. Economists say credit growth will remain modest in the short term, despite some interest rate relief helping households. This is also on the back of weak business confidence that will keep investment spending under pressure and reduce credit extension to the corporate sector. SARS will later today release the trade statistics for August. The trade balance recorded a surplus of 9 billion for July. Economists expect a smaller surplus of 2.1 billion for August. SABC News, Johannesburg.